Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the spiral. So we'll start with, I'm gonna show you what it should look like. You can go in here. Like I usually do kind of a rough sketch. Doesn't have to be perfect on the first try. Kind of a rough sketch like so. And then I just smooth out the lines. You can turn the paper to see, make sure there's no flat lines. It should not look like this, for example. And it shouldn't be like so either. You should have a nice smooth curve. Kind of like so. Something like that, right? And then obviously create your leaves and whatever, you know. Like so. Another trick to do it is like Ken C. Hunt, he showed in one of his videos. If you want to have your scroll inside of this square, there you go, something like this. And this spacing, like you can see, the scroll gets created like so. And the spacing from here should be the same all around the inside of the scroll. All this should have the same. And that will ensure that your leaves will be roughly the same size. Like so, and then you have the head up here. That is another way too, that you can make a spiral. You can even build off of this one like so. Then you continue doing your leaves inside. But that's how you make the spiral, which is the backbone of every scroll. Because if you look at these long ones, they always have that spiral, but it's a little bit longer. It's not as round. And then the way to close the gap here is that you can make another spiral like so, and then create your leaves. Like so. You do the same here. And yeah, you get the point. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching.